Hello, my students. We continue talking about communication, the Unit 5 and everyday technology. Today, please you copy the date. The topic talk about communication, performance, listen and connect the gears with the items. Okay, this is the page that you need to open, please, and listen.
Track 18.
Okay, let's talk about communication. People have used writing systems since 3300 BCE. The first one was cuneiform. When it started, there were over 1,000 symbols. Eventually, that was reduced to 400. Now, what's another communication method? Yes, Susie?
What about smoke signals?
Oh, yes. Smoke signals are a very old form of communication.
When did they start?
It's hard to say. We know they have been used since 150 BCE. That's when a Greek historian named Polybius developed signals that represented alphabet letters. But they probably started much earlier. Now, who knows what the telegraph is? John?
Well, it sent short and long electrical signals that represented letters.
Yes, that was Morse code. Samuel Morse invented it, as well as the telegraph machine. The telegraph has been used for over 170 years, but it's not very common now. Someone give me another communication method.
The telephone.
Yes, we've talked about that before. We've had telephones for over 130 years. But after the telephone was invented, it took 100 years to invent the cell phone. And of course, early cell phones were much bigger than today's cell phones. You could put a new one in your pocket. You couldn't do that with the first one. The last thing I want to talk about is the Internet. People have worked on the Internet since the 1960s, but the public has only had it for about 20 years. Today, there are over 1.6 billion people using the Internet. It has come a long way since the early days.
Okay, the activity is that you please open the page 32 and point A. And you need to connect, listen this audio and connect the gear with the items. Yes, the items. Number A. Listen and connect the gears with the items. Number B, this is point A, okay? You listened this audio and please make the activity. Connect the gears with the items. And B, you complete the sentences with for and since, okay? You need to review the grammar when you use for and when you use since. Remember that you use for when you talk about events that start for and since that start in the past and continue and probably continue in the future. But you use for with a specific period, okay? And we use since to a specific time in the past and when the event start. Okay? Okay, my student, this is the activity for today. Bye. See you.